Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Dhiaa Al-Asadi. I am the chairperson of the parliamentary bloc, the head of the political brothers movement. I think the mission is to agree on certain principles. People can solve their problems without international intervention, because they live in one geographical region, they have mutual history, they have mutual culture, they have problems, dialogue, discuss problems in detail, and they can solve these problems. So this is the first, should be solved internally. Then other countries should be respected. Certain specific features some countries have, other countries do. I mean, this diversity should be also respected. We have to understand have to study problems throughout the Islamic world, and these problems should be solved by joint effort done by all Arab and world. I think the region is, including of course countries like Turkey, like Iran, other neighboring countries, I think they have the power, the potential, provide right and a very bright version of coexistence, and the diversity in these countries make them powerful. They should not be abused by regimes or by international maybe forces that their own interest. So we can, I think the region, the countries of the region and the people of the region have the power and the potential to we are for this, to having union and that bring all together, be economically, education, politically as well, powerful and stable as well.